Assalamu alaikum, Sir Khurram Kashan is here. Today I will discuss the humanistic need theory of human behavior given by Abraham Maslow. The need hierarchy theory developed by Abraham Maslow has been one of the most popular and widely known theorists of motivation. In this theory, he divided motivation between 5 different categories. The number one level of category is physiological need. The physiological need of human are for his survival and include food, shelter, clothes, medicines and water, etc. When he is busy in satisfying this basic need, he has not even the concept of comfort, security and luxury in his mind, because he is prepared to anything for the satisfaction of these basic needs. In other words, the psychological needs are so important that a man wants to get them satisfied even at the cost of his life. The second stage is safety and security. When the physiological needs are largely taken care of, this second layer of needs come into play. You will become increasingly interested in finding safe circumstances, stability and protection. The satisfaction of basic needs, he starts to make effort to satisfy them, and then he wants to get most safe and secure in his life. The life could be secured through the security of employment, security of life, security of dwelling, etc. The developing countries are deprived of the safety and security of employment, life and property. The third category is love and belongingness needs. As the man is a social animal, therefore after the satisfaction of need of security and safety, he wants to be accepted by others and to establish relationship with others in the society. The strongest feeling is the love. The love may be with parents, children, friends, brothers, sisters, class fellows, etc. The man not only want to love others, but he desire to be loved by others. The fourth category is the self-esteem need. Having third set of needs satisfaction, the better aim is that the man want to respect and honored by others. In other words, the desire of himself better than other, but the satisfaction of his need is very difficult. He wants a good house, expensive car, a good position in his business and industry or in among public body, a good office, a cook in a kitchen and glittering nameplate at the door of his office. This is the fourth stage. And the last one is self-actualization need. The last level is a bit different. Self-actualization person, those who have come to a high level of maturization, health and self-fulfillment, have so much to teach us that sometimes they seem almost like a different breed of human beings. According to Maslow, this is the desire of person to become the complete person and peak of the abilities. The final stage of physiological development comes when the individual feels assured that the physiological security, affiliation, affection, self-respect, recognition need and have been satisfied. As these become dormant, he becomes filled with a desire to realize all of his potential for being an effective, creative, mature human being. So all these 5 stages are the most motivating factors in the eye of Abraham Maslow, and nowadays people believe that these 5 basic needs must be followed, must be complete to accomplish a successful life. Thank you.